Okay, so I was doing this little light cluster for someone. I've changed all the LEDs to blue, and then when I was putting it all back together, I noticed the stepper motors on one of these dials was knackered. So I'm going to head out and replace it, and I thought, you know what, be a good opportunity to show you guys how to do this if you have this problem yourself. So what I mean is, I want to show you this one, the rev counter and the fuel, they run smoothly. Look, this speedo is nothing, it's absolutely knackered, and I've just powered it up. So let's just unplug it a minute so I don't do that again. But what I'm going to plan to do is strip this down and replace the stepper motor here. I've got a pack here ready to go. So they come in the pack of 4. Obviously, as you can see, I've used them before. I always keep them on hand because you never know when they're going to need replacing. Okay, so to strip this down, these just need pulling out. Put them out of the way. These just slide off, leaving the pins on the stepper motors, like so. And then I believe this one's the knackered one. It come out a bit too easy, and the pin's still inside it. So we'll replace that. Take the face off the front. Spin it over. These white things are the stepper motors. Okay, this is the knackered one. It looks a bit dark on colour already. If you look, it looks a bit past it, where this one and this one ain't too bad. This one looks a bit, yeah, it looks like it's in better days. I don't know if you can actually see that, but the 3 of them, this one and this one, look okay, and this one looks a bit dark on colour compared to the others. So this is one we're going to be replacing. So let's remove it. Spin it over. But just to run a little test on it, I want to make sure before I go ahead and actually do that. Being careful with it. I'm going to push down this button here. Then hopefully on this screen here it says test after a few seconds. There we go. See this one, how they all swept over nicely, but this one doesn't look like a judder. It weren't stable, it weren't smooth. It shows that this one's at fault. You can actually hear it. They're only making that noise because it's powered up. They're under power now. But this one you can hear it. It's nothing. It just keeps falling out. So I do believe this one's at fault. Okay, so now I'm going to desolder them. I'm going to use a little bit of desoldering paste on a small brush with some desoldering wire. Now all this does is put this around the terminals, like the little connections. You only need a little bit. Just brush it over. That's how I do it. It's not going to hurt. Put that out of the way. Then using your desoldering wire, you can soak it up. And that should be enough to, Okay, need a little bit more on this lower one just here. Try again. There we go. It is that easy. Now looking at the state of it, it does look like it's in better days. So these are only cheap to replace, so you throw that straight in the bin. Get your pack with your new ones in. I think I paid something like £11 for these four. Pop them out. Then all you need to do is put a drop of solder on each one of them. And that is it. The stepper motor is replaced. Just push it on there a little bit. And we're going to test it now. See, it's a lot smoother. Turn the big light, main light off. As I push this in, you can see it moving there straight away. So spot on, look at that. So that's how you replace the stepper motor in your cluster if they're faulty. And I'm going to put this back together now and get it sent off to the customer. Hopefully he'll be one happy bunny. He's asked me to replace all the LEDs to blue, do the LCDs to blue, and he didn't know the stepper motors were broken on this. So I told him, you got a bad stepper motor on here, I'll set out to replace it for him. So here it is, this is all fixed. Okay, there it all is, all back together. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it one final test and check before I put the actual cover on the front. So as again, you plug it in, pushing this button here. The speedo's spot on, we've just got to do the rev counter now. Okay, so there you have it. I'm going to finish this up off the camera because this video was to show you how to replace the stepper motor on one of these. You've seen how I've adjusted the speedo to put it back, sit it right so it does a full cycle. All I've got to do now is do the rev counter, and I can do that off of the camera. I'll no need to show you that one as well. The fuel and the temperature gauges all work nice. It's all lit up blue, so I can put the front case back on and get it sent off to the owner, get it sent off to the customer. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and if you've not done so already, consider subscribing to the channel. And thanks again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helps some of you guys out. And till the next one.